Hello students, in last class we have completed our exercise 4.1 question number 1 and 2, is it? And even 3 also. And this chapter is about subtraction. I hope you have understood how to do the subtraction, students. Okay, so today we are going to start our question number 4. Okay, so question number 4, question what you given, once you see this chapter is in book number 2. Okay students, so all of you take out book number 2, exercise 4.1. Question number 4. Question number is write in columns and find the difference. What is the question given? Write in columns and find the difference. Okay. Now you see. So you see question number 4a. Okay. Question given 266 minus 137. Okay. So here given 266 minus 137. So at first what we are going to do? We are going to arrange the numbers. 100, tens and ones. As these are 3 digits, so we are going to arrange the number in 3 digits. 100, tens and ones. So now you put the numbers according to the column. 6 we will put in ones place. The other 6 we are going to put in tens place, and 2 we are going to put in 100 place. Okay. Now you see here given 7. So 7 you are going to write in ones place. T in tens place we are going to write 3, and in ones place we are going to write 100 place we are going to write 1. Okay. Now you subtract. You see here 6 is smaller than 7. Is it? 6 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do? We have to make 6 in a greater than 7. So what we are going to do? We are going to cut the number and we will write here 6. Now from here in tens place given 6. So from this 6 we are going to borrow 1. Okay. So from here we are going to borrow 1. So now what is the number became? It has come 16. Okay. So now 16 is greater than 7. Okay. So now you subtract 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay. 16 minus 7 is 9. So from 6 we have borrowed 1. So what is left here? It is left 5. Okay. So here left 5. Now 5 plus minus 3 is how much, students? 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2. And from here you see we have not borrowed any number. So here is left 2. So from 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the answer? 129. Okay. What is the answer? 129. Okay. Is it clear, students? And same how I am showing you question number B. At first we are going to arrange the numbers. So 100 tens and ones. Why 100 tens and ones? Because they are given 3 digits. Okay. So at first we are going to arrange the numbers 2, 6, 8. Then 5, 7 and 1. Now you subtract. 8 is greater than 5. So we can directly subtract. 8 minus 5 is? 8 minus 5 is, students? 3. Okay. But you see here given 6. Again given 6 minus 7. So it is smaller. So what we are going to do? We will make it greater. So to make it greater, we will borrow 1 from here, from 100 place. Now it has become 16. Again 16 minus 7. We have to do 16 minus 7. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay. Now from 2 we have borrowed 1. So here what left? 1. Now you subtract 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So no need to write 0. Okay. So 93 is the answer. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Okay. So now you see as A and B I have shown you. Now C and D you will do in your copy own self. Okay. C and D you will do in your copy. A, B, C, D you will solve in your copy, classwork copy. And E, F you will practice at your home. Okay. In a rough copy. This is also important, students. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Question given subtract and check your answer. At first we are going to subtract, then I will show you how to check your answer. Okay. So you see question given 5a 693 minus 154. Okay. 693 minus 154. At first what we are going to do? We are going to write in a column. Okay. So 3, 9 and 6. Okay. Here given 4, 5 and 1. Now you subtract. You subtract, see 3 minus 4. So 3 is greater or smaller than 4? It is smaller. So what we are going to do? We have to make it greater. To make it greater, we are going to borrow 1 from here. Okay. So we are going to borrow 1 from. So already I have borrowed. Now it has become what? 13. Now it has become 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay. So 9 I am writing here. Okay. From 9 we have borrowed 1. So here what left, student? It is left 18. Sorry, 8. Okay. From 9 we have borrowed 1. So here what left? 8. Now you see in tens place 8 written, 8 minus 5. So now 8 is greater than 5. Is it? 8 is greater than 5. So what we are going to do? 8 minus 5 is how much, students? 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now you see from here we have borrowed any number? No. So we are going to directly subtract 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is how much, students? It is 5. Okay. 6 minus 5 is 1 is 5. So now at first already in first I have told you what is this? This is minuend. Okay. And what is this? This is subtrahend. And after subtracting whatever the answer it comes, it is called difference. Okay. This is called difference. Now, as already I have told, in question given, check your answer. Question given, check your answer. Now, we have to check the answer also. So, what I have to write? I will write check. Okay, I will write check. Now, you see, whenever we are going to check the answer, what we have to do? To check the subtraction, okay? To check the subtraction and to see whether the difference we have found is correct, we simply find the sum of subtrahend and the difference. Whether to find the subtraction, to check the answer whether the difference is right or wrong, we have to sum, means we have to add these two. Okay, we have to add this subtrahend and difference. Whatever the number is given here, we have to add the subtrahend and difference. Okay, after adding subtrahend and difference, if the answer comes minuend, if this answer comes the minuend number, it means it will be correct. How to do? Let me show you. Okay, so here at first I will write the subtrahend number. Okay, what is the subtrahend number given? It is given 154. Okay, so we have to add the number with difference. Now what is the difference given? It given 539. Okay, now you add these two numbers, 4 plus 9. So 4 plus 9 is how much, students? It is 13. Okay, now 13 already, so 3 I have written here. 1 will be carried forward in 100 place. Okay, don't forget to write here 100 tens and ones. 100 tens and ones. Okay, students, 100 tens and ones. So you see 1 I already carry forward in tens place. Now you add 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, now 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, any carrying number is there? No. So what we do? We will add 100 place. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is what? It is 6. Okay. So the answer has come how much? 693. Now you see this 693 is matching with this 693. Is this answer is matching with the minuend? Yes. Yes. It means our at last what we are going to write? Our answer is correct. Okay, that therefore our answer or you can write our subtraction is correct. Okay, therefore our subtraction is correct or our answer is correct. Is it clear? It means what? This is subtrahend we have added with the difference. And after adding, whatever the answer has come, it is the minuend. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? I hope you have understood, students. Okay, I will show you one more. Now you see B number. Okay, At first, what we have to do? We have to arrange the numbers. So 7, 2, 9. And here 8, 3, 7. Now you subtract. Here you see 7 is given. 7 is smaller than 8. So we will make it 17. From 2 I have borrowed 1. Okay. So it becomes 17. Now you subtract 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay. 17 minus 8 is 9. So from 2 already I have borrowed 1. So here I have what left? 1. So can we subtract 1 minus 3? No. We cannot subtract 1 minus 3. That is why what we have to do? We have to borrow again 1 from 100 place. Now it becomes 11. So 11 minus 3 is? It is 8. Okay. So 8. Okay. From 9 we have borrowed 1. So in place of 9 it left 8. Now you subtract 8 minus 7. It is 1. Okay. Now what is this? This is menu end. What is this? This is subtrahend. And after that, what is the answer it comes? It called difference. Okay. Now you see we have to check the answer. Check. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add subtrahend and difference. Now we are going to add maintain that column 100, tens and ones. So what is the subtrahend given? It is given 8, 3 and 7. And what is the difference given? They are given 9, 8 and 1. Now what we have to do? We have to add. Okay. Now we add 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7. 1 is carried forward in tens place. Now we add 1 plus 3. It becomes 1 plus 3 is how much, students? It is 4. 4 plus 8. Count and tell me what is 4 plus 8. It is 12. So 2 I have written here and 1 will be carried forward in 100 place. Now you add 1 plus 7. It is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So now you see this 9 to 7 and this 9 to 7, is it same? Yes. It means our answer is correct. So I will write, so our answer or subtraction is correct. Okay. In this way you have to solve the answer. Is it clear, students? I hope you have understood. In this way you will solve A, B, C and D in your classwork copy. Okay, students? Okay. Thank you.